Hello children, welcome in online class. Today we'll continue chapter number 17, Forest, our Lifeline. So children, first of all we'll discuss about interdependence of plant and animal. Animals produce carbon dioxide during respiration, which is taken up by the plants for photosynthesis to produce food. Children, the plants and animal in a forest depend on each other for their survival. Here in the picture we can see that animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which is taken up by animals for respiration. So, in this way we can say that plant and animal, they both depend on each other for their survival. Now, let us discuss about food chain. Children, as we know that all organisms get energy from the food they eat. A food chain is a simple representation of the flow of energy in nature. Let us see one example. When a grasshopper eats grass, the energy from grass gets transferred into the grasshopper. When a bird eats this grasshopper, the energy from the grasshopper gets transferred into the bird. When a snake eats this bird, the energy gets transferred into the snake from the bird, and so on. Children, when any of these organisms die, the energy passes into the decomposer. So, energy is always transferred from producer to primary consumer, then secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and so on. Now children, let us discuss about deforestation. Clearing a forest by cutting trees to fulfill our need of wood and land is called deforestation. Now, let us discuss about causes of deforestation. Increase in population. Children, with increasing population, more and more land is required for housing colonies, industries, educational institution, offices, etc. Forest area is cleared to obtain this land. Wood for industries. With the increase of population and better standards of living, the demand for the wood in the industries has increased, leading to the depletion of forest. Now, let us discuss about effects of deforestation. Children, burning of wood obtained from deforestation causes increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Excess of carbon dioxide causes air pollution. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and causes global warming, that is, increase in earth temperature. In the absence of trees of the forest, the rainwater flows faster, causing flood condition. Deforestation causes adverse climatic changes also. So children, now we are in a condition to answer the following question. First question is, what is meant by deforestation? Second, what are the causes of deforestation? Third, how are forests important to us? Fourth, what is food chain? So children, I hope you all understood the topic and now you all are in a condition to answer these questions.